Hello students, how are you? Welcome to social science class. Okay, already we have seen nearly 3 classes about this lesson. Okay, what is the name of this lesson? You know? Yeah, India's natural resources, soil and forest wealth. In that we have seen soil and type of soil, then forest and type of forest. In this class we will learn about conservation of forest and 3 R's. That means reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay. Now conservation of forest. The non-stop utilization of forest has reduced the forest cover significantly. As a result, we are facing problem of soil erosion, floods and droughts. Since forests play a vital role in supporting life on this earth, the government has been compelled to take steps that will regenerate these important resources quickly. Have you heard about the Sipco Antolin or Sipco movement? The word Sipco means to hug or impress. In the 1970s, a group of women in Uttarakhand started this movement. They prevented cutting down of trees by hugging them. This movement started from Reni village of Uttarakhand and spread all over Garhwal region. The women folk of this region came together to revolt against the ruthless cutting down of trees. Sundarlal Bahuna headed this movement. Who is this head of this movement? Yeah, Sundarlal Bahuna. And the hard work of the people ultimately bore fruit when the government passed laws to stop deforestation. But even this has not discouraged people from cutting trees. The government has started programs such as Social Forestry Movement and Vana Mahotsav to encourage forest conservation. For every child a tree, this program was started in which children are encouraged to plant trees and even care for them. Apart from this, the government is also involving locals and tribal people in the conservation of forest. Steps are also being taken to develop green belt in urban areas. Okay students, have you celebrated your birthday in a grand manner? How? Like buying costly dress, by giving party to friends. All those results in wastage of money. But we can celebrate our birthday by planting trees as our principal advice. Okay? Now, wild animals. Forests are home to wild animals and a huge variety of insects and birds. When we cut forests, we also destroy the habitat of these living creatures. Unrestricted poaching and hunting has led to the extinctions of many species. Therefore, the government has set up national park along with wildlife and bird sanctuaries to protect the animals as well as the habitat. Elephants, hippos, rhinos, deer are found in the northeast. The Karyanka and Manas National Park home to all these animals. Rhinos were killed for medicines and the musk deer were killed for the musk used in perfumes. The Gir forests of Gujarat are homes to Asiatic lions. The Royal Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarbans. Ranthambore and Jim Corbett National Park are also tiger reserves. The deciduous forests are home to animals like bear, boar, wild buffalo, and leopard. Birds, snakes like cobra and pythons, fish, turtles, and tortoise are found in different parts of our country. To preserve wildlife, laws have been enacted along with setting up of national park and wildlife sanctuaries. Many endangered species are today alive only because of the habitat created by the government. Okay? Okay, students. Now I explain about 3 R's. 3 R's. That means reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay. The 3 R's help us to conserve natural resources. Conserve natural resources. Reduce waste and protect our environment. Reduce waste and protect our environment. Okay. Reduce. Do not unnecessarily use or waste anything, especially electricity, paper, water, and food. But only what you need, not all what you want. Some tips are reduce. Some legends often use phone while watching TV. Here, electricity waste. Even I had watched in few classes, they are not switch off their fans and light while go to playground. Here, electricity was waste. Some students play by opening tap. Play with opening tap. Here are natural resources are waste. Some people often waste food. It affects both health and natural resources. Students, we should not use motorbike for walkable distance. Instead of this, we can use cycle or our food. Students, now reuse. Try to reuse unwanted item in different ways. Donate some tips of reuse. Donate old cloth and books for other people. Can reuse your unwanted cloth and books when you donate them to charity shops. Okay, now recycle. Try to use recycled paper bags, cartons, and other materials that are environment friendly. Cut down on usage of plastic bags and bottles. Students, most of the developed country throw their electronic waste called e-waste. In developing countries, the only solution to recover this problem is recycle. Papers are recycled to many useful things such as paper bag, multi-paper books and toys, etc. Students, now take page number 110, book interior 1 mark. The dash soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton, black or alluvial. Black soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton. Second one, bricks are made from red or laterite soil. Third one, the dash soil is found in the Indo-Gangetic Plain, alluvial mountain. Here answer, alluvial. Alluvial soil mostly found in the river area. So here alluvial soil is found in the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Next, we will learn about the Western Desert. What? The Western Desert. Rajasthan is divided into 2 parts by the Aravalli range. The west side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. Again, the western side is covered with sand and consists of the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. It extends from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to the border of Haryana. Now, page number 116. Roots of trees prevent dash and dash, floods and soil erosion. FLOODS, soil, SOIL, erosion, EROSION. Now, second one, dash park and wildlife dash, protect endangered animals. National park. Second dash, reserves. Okay. RESERVES, reserves. Now, page number 118, book exercise. First Roman, fill in the blanks. Dash soil is found along the land around rivers. Alluvial, ALLUVIAL, alluvial soil. Now, second one, black soil is formed from dash lava rocks. LAVA, lava, rock, ROCKS, rocks, lava rocks. Now, third one, tidal or dash forests are usually found in the beds of rivers. Mangrove, MAN, OVE. Mangrove forests are usually found in the deltas. 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 Now D. Planting more trees to make a forest is called afforestation. 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 Now E. The third R's stand for dash dash and dash. Reduce. 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 Reuse. 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 And recycle. RECYCLE. Okay. Now choose. Choose the correct answer. The toppermost layer of the soil is rich in dash. Organic matter. 2. Answer 2. Organic matter. Now, dash soil is salty and infertile. Sandy. 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 Now, third one. C. Dash and dash soil have iron in them. Laterite and red soil. Laterite and red soils have iron in them. Now D. Sal and semul are trees found in dash forest. Deciduous forest. Answer third one. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous forest. Now E. Trees give us dash to breathe. Oxygen. 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 Now match the following. Thorn forest mostly located in Rajasthan. Answer here Rajasthan. Thorn forest Rajasthan. B. Red soil. Red soil mostly having Tamil Nadu. Has in Tamil Nadu. B. Tamil Nadu. Fifth answer for B. Red soil Tamil Nadu. Black soil mostly located in Maharashtra. Black soil Maharashtra. Evergreen forest Western Ghats. Evergreen forest Western Ghats. Deciduous forest Bihar. Deciduous forest Bihar. Students, now question answer page number 4. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Question: how is black soil formed? Question: how is black soil formed? Black soil is formed from lava rocks. Again, black soil is formed from lava rocks and is black in color. Second point, it is clayey and sticky when it is wet. It is clayey and sticky when it is wet. Now, black soil, BLACK, black soil, SOIL, soil is formed, FORMED, formed from FROM, from lava, LAVA, lava rocks, ROCKS, lava rocks, and ANT and IS is black in color, BLACK, black, IN in color, LOUR, black in color. Second point, it is clayey. IT, IS is clayey, 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 and and sticky, 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 when WHEN, when it is wet, WET, wet. Okay. Now, second question, what is leaching? What is leaching? Leaching is the process by which minerals get washed away from the soil due to heavy rain. Again, answer, leaching, LEACH, leach, ink, leaching is, IS is the, THE, the process, PRO, process, CESS, process by, BY, by which, WCHICH, which minerals, MINERALS, minerals get, 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 washed away, AWAY, washed away from the soil, FROM, from the soil due to, DUE, due to, TO2, heavy, HEAVY, heavy rain, RAIN, heavy rain. Leaching is the process by which minerals get washed away from the soil due to heavy rain. Now, C question. Mention the different types of forest in India. India has many types of forests, such as evergreen forests, deciduous forests, coniferous forests, thorn forest, and tidal forest. Evergreen, EVER, ever, green, 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 evergreen forest, FORESTS, forest. Deciduous, DECI, deciduous, DUOUS, deciduous forest, FORESTS, deciduous forest. Coniferous forest, CONI, coniferous, FEROUS, coniferous forest, FORESTS, coniferous forest. Thorn forest, THORN, thorn forest, FORESTS, thorn forest. And tidal, TIDAL, tidal forest, FORESTS, tidal forest. Okay. Now, what step has the government taken to protect forest? D question. What step has the government taken to protect forests? Now answer. The government has launched many programs such as the Social Forestry Program and Vana Mahotsav to plant more trees. The government, THE, the govern, GOVERN, government, MENT, government has, HAS, has launched, LAUNCHED, launched many, MANY, many programs, PRO, program, GRAMMES, program, such as SUCH, such as ASS, THE, the social, SOCIAL, social forestry, FORESTRY, forestry program, PRO, gram, GRAMME, program, and Vana Mahastava, VA, Va, NA, Na, MA, Ma, Vana Maha, HO, Maha, Vana Mahastava, TSA, VAS, Vana Mahastavas, to plant more trees, MORE, more, TREES, trees. Students, now question, what does biodegradable mean? Name some non-biodegradable items. Okay, now first point, things that are capable of decomposing and mixing with the soil are called biodegradable. Again, things that are capable of decomposing and mixing with the soil are called biodegradable. Second point, some non-biodegradable items are plastics, aluminium, glasses, metals, and toxic chemicals. Okay, now spelling things, 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 that, that, are, are, capable, capable, capable of, of decomposing, composing, decomposing, and mixing, mixing, mixing with, mixing with the, the soil, soil, are, are called, called biodegradable, biodegradable, biodegradable. Now second point, SOME, some, non, non, biodegradable, 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 mean, item, ITEMS, items, RARER, plastic, PLASTICS, plastics, aluminium, ALLU, aluminium, MINIUM, minium, aluminium, glasses, 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 metals, 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 and toxi, TOXIE, toxi, chemical, CHEMICALS, chemicals. Okay, students, after finishing, send through the WhatsApp, write neatly. Okay.